Gamers, stop scrolling. I have the perfect $1,000 gaming PC for you. For the CPU, grab the Intel Core i5-12400F. These are currently on sale for a great price. For the CPU cooler, grab the Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2. For the motherboard, pick up this Asus Prime H670 board. For the RAM, grab the G-Skill Trident RGB 16GB kit. For storage, this Kingston NV2 1TB M.2 is going to perform very nicely for us. For the graphics, pick up this RX 6700 XT. This card is super cheap right now and performs just as well as a 3060 and very closely to a 3060 Ti. For the case, grab this NZXT H510. This case has a lot of great airflow. And for the power supply, pick up this Corsair RM 750X fully modular power supply. This build comes out to $1,001. Make sure you like and follow for future build videos.